let's explore the complex history and current tensions between Israel and Arab countries. The modern conflict began with Israel's creation in 1948, leading to wars between Arab states and Israel, including Egypt and Syria. A turning point came in 1979 with the Camp David Accords, marking the first formal peace treaty between an Arab state and Israel. In recent years, several countries have followed suit, establishing full diplomatic relations through deals brokered by the United States. However, these agreements remain deeply unpopular among ordinary people across the region due to ongoing issues like settlements in Gaza. For example, Saudi Arabia has historically maintained informal ties with Israel without officially recognizing them, despite public opposition. These relationships often involve significant economic cooperation, particularly in energy sectors like oil and natural gas exploration. Jordan maintains a very delicate balance, hosting millions of Palestinian refugees and having close historical links with the occupied territories. Ultimately, most Arab nations prioritize security alliances with the US over normalizing relations directly with Israel. This complex web of interests continues to shape regional politics.